Chapter: The Geography of our planet. In our this video, we will discuss about the parts of our solar system, that is, Sun and our 8 planets. So here we start with the video. So now after seeing the diagram of the solar system, you have got the idea that Sun is the most major part of it, because the Sun is the biggest object in the solar system and provides energy, heat, light to the Earth by nuclear reaction that occurs in its center. The Sun is a star and has a surface temperature of 6000 degrees Celsius. It is mostly composed of hydrogen gas along with a small amount of helium gas. As I already told you, the Sun is the center of the solar system. It is made up of extremely hot gases, that is hydrogen and helium, and it is about 150 million kilometers away from our planet Earth. Beside it, our solar system also includes many planets, satellites, etc. But we have other members also which play a very important role in the existence of our universe. Let us briefly discuss about the other members of the solar system. Beside the Sun, our solar system also contains 8 planets, which are large, almost spherical objects that revolve around the Sun in elliptical paths known as orbits. The Earth is also one of the planets and lies at the distance from the Sun such that it is neither too hot nor too cold for life to exist. The planets were formed at least 4.6 billion years ago, and we have two kinds of planets, that is inner planet and outer planet. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, which is between Sun and the asteroid belt and are close to Sun, and the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, which is beyond the asteroid belt and very far away from the Sun. Now this is the description of our inner planets with the help of diagram. Mercury is smallest and closest to the Sun, very hottest planet in our solar system during the day, but with the exception because it is having a very thin atmosphere, hence heat is quickly lost at night and it becomes very cold. Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system, because it is having a very high percentage of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere, which traps heat. Brightest of all planets in the night sky, also known as morning and evening star. Earth, only planet in our solar system which has water in liquid form and oxygen, which supports life. It takes 365 and a 1/4 day to revolve around the Sun, takes 24 hours to rotate about its own axis. Mars, a red colored planet due to the presence of iron oxide in the soil, having a 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Now this is the description of our outer planets with the help of diagram. Jupiter, it is the largest planet in our solar system, has a rings made of shattered fragments from its inner moon. It is a gaseous planet having no solid surfaces. Saturn, the yellowish planet and the second largest planet in our solar system. The distinguished feature of Saturn is the rings made of ice and dust that surrounds the planet. Uranus, very cold gaseous planet, greenish in color and the third largest planet in our solar system. Neptune, very coldest planet in the solar system and stormy planet, the fourth largest planet in our solar system, most dense planet and having the 17 times more mass in comparison to our planet Earth. Now here is the list of the planet in the order of their distance from the Sun in the solar system. You can see the list, and I have provided the mnemonics also to memorize the names of the 8 planets in the order of their distance from the Sun. That is, my very efficient mother just served us none. Pluto was also a planet till August 2006, but now it is recognized as a dwarf planet.